Hey, what's going on, y'all? I got another intake comparison video. This time it's the set that Johnny Blaze or John Pierce sells. I believe this kit, he sells it for roughly, don't quote me on it, I think it's like anywhere from like $250 to $280 shipped. He's out of Canada, but that's like shipped to the US too. And of course, this is the Z1. And I forget how much these go for. You know, they're like normally $400 or something like that. But so as an overview, the kit that you get from John is pretty much the same as the Z1. You get your L-shaped couplers. You get the metal sleeve. You got your hard pipes, your filters, PVC hoses, right? And throttle body couplers and worm clamps. All right, so comparing the overall shape of the kit, you can kind of see that's pretty similar. That's similar shape lengthwise. This is a little shorter. This is his 2.5 kit. I think John only sells 2.5. So this is an inner diameter, right? 2.37. 2.38, yeah. So they're pretty much the same inner diameter. Kind of see these. Of course, this PVC hoses. Then, of course, Z1 sells two different filters. This is the standard. They do sell I guess they call it the race filter that pretty much has a velocity stack in it. This is the standard filter that comes in John's kit. You can kind of tell from the size of the filter. It's a larger volume if you want to see. So the design, like the pleats are pretty similar. The main thing is, of course, I don't know what material each are made of, so I can't really compare that. All right, that's pretty much it. Hope that helps give you confidence in either buying John's kit, or if you prefer the OG, buy the Z1. But this is to show you what you get with John's kit. Thanks, guys.